Today we're going to be making some Haitian Cremas, and I'm going to put all the ingredients down below, the link to the ingredients below and the recipe down below. But I wanted to give a big shout out to HaitianCooking.com for putting the recipe online. So let's get started making our Haitian Cremas, okay? I like to start off with the milks first, and we're going to put everything into the blender, and then I'll put my seasonings in there, all right? So you're going to need 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. And that takes a while to come out. So we can put our 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to need 1 can of evaporated milk. And 1 can of cream of coconut. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix up my milks first, and then I'll put the rest of the ingredients in. All right, now that the milk is all blended, we're going to put our spices in. So these are all going to be 1 teaspoon of spices. So you're going to grab your handy dandy measuring spoons, and there's the 1 teaspoon. And we're going to start off with some ground nutmeg. The next thing you're going to need is some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of this as well. You're also going to need some extracts. So the first is almond extract, then we're going to do some anise extract, and then some vanilla extract, okay? And these are all 1 teaspoon as well. Went a little hard with the almond extract. That's okay, it'll still be good. And we need to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract as well. I'm gonna put a little bit more vanilla since I went a little hard on the almond. Just a little. Next up, we're gonna use some lime juice. This is also 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Now for the good stuff. We're going to be using some Haitian rum. This is Barbancourt Haitian rum. If you don't have Haitian rum, you can try to use another dark rum, but it'd be best if you can get some Haitian rum. In California, they do have these out here at the Bevmo and the Total Wine and More. So if you're in another state, maybe it's at your ABC package store or liquor store. All right, so those are all of the ingredients. What we're gonna do now is go ahead and mix it back up again. So now that we've poured all of our ingredients in, we're gonna do the final blend. So everything is done blended now. We're gonna pour our cremas into our nice new cremas jar. You should have a bottle that can hold at least 750 milliliters. So let's pour it in here. And that's how you make cremas, guys. I'm gonna let this marinate for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna taste it. All right. So I still got a little bit left over, but that's okay because I've got a backup jar. I'll be back in 10 minutes, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. I've got me a cup of ice. Let's try it out. That's good, guys. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like the Haitian version of eggnog, but without eggs, of course. If you've ever had like a Puerto Rican coquito, it's kind of similar to that as well. I don't know how to explain it. You just got to try it for yourself. It's so delicious. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content that I'm providing on this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notifications anytime I upload a new video. I'm going to go back to drinking this Kremas. See you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.